So I'll be showing you how to turn the camera flash on or off, or even set it to auto so it can decide for itself when to turn on or off. Now I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 16 for this tutorial, but this should work on pretty much any iPhone. So simply launch the camera application on your iPhone, and on the camera app in the top left corner, that's where the flash icon is. Now currently it's disabled, that's why you can see there's a flash across the camera flash icon. If you tap on it, then it's going to turn on the flash, and now every time you take a photo, it's going to take with a flash. So if you want to change to auto, sometimes you have to tap on this little arrow here, and that should display these options at the bottom. The one on the far left that looks like a lightning flash is the flash option. From here you can choose either to leave it on auto, choose on, or off. Okay, so depending on what you want, you can choose from here. So that's basically how to turn your iPhone's camera flash on or off or auto. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.